Hey, good to have you back. And if you're new, I am Shim. I just brought out the bulk ferment from the fridge. I had mixed sourdough bread, but at the time I was not ready to bake it. I decided to place the bulk ferment in the fridge to slow down the fermentation and enjoy the benefits of cold proofing. Today, I am ready to bake. And here is how I shaped my sourdough after being in the fridge for 2 days. Shaping sourdough for me is not just the technique, but the when and the why I choose to do it. So what I'm trying to say is it can differ a bit for every bake I do. All-purpose flour has low protein content. With that, the dough is not as strong and elastic. With cold bulk proof, which takes a while in the fridge, I noticed it leaves the top skin of the dough firm, providing good resistance to tears. So I want the top firm skin at the bottom touching the dusted workstation, while the soft moist covered part of the dough faces up. Now I stretch the dough out carefully, pulling out gently, and because it is cold, I only get a bit of resistance. A snap back like a rubber band, but no tears. When the bread dough is elastic, which I mean strong, shaping is fun and easier to handle. I find this technique simple. Fold the left side halfway and bring the opposite side to overlap or on top of the first fold, creating a long log. Then roll the log and seal the end to the dough. Turn on its side, tuck in the layers and seal. Then turn to the opposite end and repeat the process. I have learned that folding in such way that traps the air and bubbles gives a good oven spring when the dough expands through the score in the hot oven. Let me quickly say that I have made breads that did not give me oven spring, but the crumb and texture was pure delight and I enjoyed every piece of the bread. At the end of the day, oven spring does not determine if the bread is good or bad. I would usually leave the shaped dough at room temperature for an hour to rest before baking, but I did the shaping in the afternoon and I don't want to risk it. The temperature is 35 degrees Celsius today. It is quite hot and dry. Switch on the oven at least 40 minutes before baking. The first 25 minutes of the bake should be piping hot for the dough. Which do you prefer? Cold bulk ferment before shaping or pre-shaped cold proofing? And then you can just bake. So let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you all. Personally, I would say I prefer the cold bulk ferment before shaping. Because of my circumstances, I don't enjoy steady electricity. So doing a cold bulk ferment before shaping takes the frustration of losing a shaped dough in the fridge. Enjoy a wholesome week and thank you for the support.